Welcome to Dosel Web Manager. Radiation safety officer can log into the system with its username and password. When it clicks login, can enter demo and 11111 login. There is 5 parts of the system: a part to manage accounts, part to manage participants, manage badges, and view those reports. And the last section is administration sections. Manage account section. When we click on manage accounts, there is a list of all accounts that this RSO can manage. Here we have, in this example, we have 3 accounts. On double click on an account, will navigate us to the page where account detail can be viewed or changed. Here we can change account name or center type, or we can set the purchase order number that will be used as a reference in the invoice that will be sent to you. Also, here you can select how would you like your invoice to be sent to you, either by fax, a post, or an email. There is other details like primary contact, secondary contact for this account, and invoice and shipping address. The next part is manage participants, where all the participants are listed. Here the participant can be searched for by account number or by its participant number, unique ID, last name, first name, status, birth date. Double click on selected participant will navigate us to the page where participant details can be viewed or saved. Here we can change participant details such as name or unique ID, email, occupational code. Here we also have the threshold limit for badges or for rings, where the limit can be set for this participant alone. If it's left blank, then the dose limit will be taken from the personal info page, where RSO can set the limit for all participants. If this is left blank, then the threshold limit will be taken as an occupational dose limit, which is 20 millisievert. When threshold limit is exceeded, the record in the dose report will be color-coded. Back to the participant page. Here we have the list of badges worn by this participant, and also we have list of badges orders for this participant. Also in the participant manage page, an RSO can create a user out of the participant. In that way, this participant will be able to log into the system with its own username and password and check his own dose reports. So if an RSO click on create user, he will be able to create that user. Here the password can be entered and the username. Also in manage participant page, there is an option to export participants, this list of participants, to an Excel sheet, either in basic or in advanced mode. So when we click on export participants, all these participants will be shown in an Excel worksheet. With account, participant, unique, and first and last name. Now we have badge section, where if we click list all badges, here we have a section where a badge can be searched for either by its own number or by account number and participant who wore that badge or a wearing period. Double click on selected badge will open a badge page where RSO can reassign badge by entering the new participant number and click on reassign. Body code can be also changed, series can be changed, and the status of this badge can be set as lost. Then there is a button where an RSO can check for an unreturned badge to see which badges have not been returned yet. Next section is report section, where all those reports are listed. Those reports can be searched by account number and by the period begin date and period end date. One or several of those reports can be selected, and we can click on either export to PDF format, or export to Excel format, or export to XML format. There we can choose the unit of doses, which can be either millisievert, microsievert, or millirem. These dose reports can be sent to an email to a person. If we click on export to PDF, we will get this report in PDF format. Dose report contains the current doses for the wearing period for all participants that wore badges in this period. Then we can see here the accumulated doses for the quarter, accumulation for 12 months, and accumulation for the life. If we move to participant format and click on switch to participant format, we will get those reports, and these dose reports can be searched by a participant. We can enter here the participant number, for example 28863, and we will get all the dose reports for this particular participant. Now we can click on export participant history to PDF to get all the history for this participant, or we can click on export to individual dose report, where we will get the graphical representation of the participant dose report history. Export participant history to PDF is the list of all wearing period for this participant and the current doses, quarterly accumulated, 12-month accumulated, and lifetime accumulated. We can get all the history of all data from the beginning of the wearing period for this participant. When we click on export individual dose report to PDF, we will get the graphical representation of this dose report history for this participant. Here we have the graphs for the history of previous 12 months, accumulation, and here's the graphical representation for the 5-year data for the last 5 years. Blue bars represent the current doses for this period, and the yellow bar represents the 12 months accumulation for this period. And we have the administration section, where we have the personal info page, where the RSO can set dose limit alert for the all participants, or also he can set the license expiration date alert. This is the number of date which will, when he set the number of date, when he goes to the participant page and he click on checks license expiry, he will get all the participants that are about to have the license expired for this day alert. To register as a user of dosel.com.au, user can go to the request the quote page and type the company name, detail, and the order details, and click on the submit button. You will have your account set and ready for you.